Today, we are going to open a Breakout Beast. So series 1, I bet this toy is going to be really fun. And alright, we want to open it now.
It's Breakout Beast. It is series 1, you're right. Each surprise egg comes with one buildable figure.
And one slime.
And a slime. And it's a surprise. We don't know who we're going to get.
Yeah.
Which one is your favorite, you think?
The bossy one, this one.
Oh, this white one here?
Yeah.
So Luca likes this guy here. The white one with the red chain around his ankles.
And the blue eyes. Wow! This looks very cool! This hurts. It's red. I think a red guy.
So you have Blackheart.
He's called Blackheart?
Yeah.
He must be bad.
He must be good.
Wow.
Okay.
So he's 1 of 9. There must be 9 in the series. You put it together. Okay, let's see if I'll open it for you. I know. Oh, you did. Good job.
Yeah. It's a lot of slime, actually. Googly, googly, googly. Now I want to work my sleeves. Ew, the slime. It found his head. Googly, yabala. So slimy. Ow, ow. I can't believe this. He's like an alien. Hey, little pothead. Get back to the slime. This is my slime, not your slime. It's a bloop. Bloop.
Did Blackheart slime you?
Yes. The black slime. Ah.
Ew.
Ah, yeah. Ah. Go here, Blobby. There's bloobies. Oh, why did I not see this? Oh no, I got this. It's so slimy inside. How can I ever get this guy? This is so cool. And this slime is fun. Sweet little guy.
Okay, so you got all the pieces out?
Yeah.
So what do you think? Is he going to be cool? Is he going to be big? Is he going to be small? Is he going to be blue? Is he going to be black?
He is going to be really cool colors. And I think he is going to be very big and a tiny bit small.
Very big and a tiny bit small.
Yeah.
Huh. So what do you think of your Breakout Beast?
Thumbs up.
Why do you like the Breakout Beast?
I don't know, is this fun? When you fly and you think you can dump in
What do you like better, the dragon or the slime?
slime.
The slime?
No?
Hey, what are you doing under your table?
I'm catching some slime.
You catch it. Oh my gosh.
What?
You're making it go through the hole?
Yeah.
Ah! That's funny.
Dad, did you know the slime is like sprinkly?
No, I didn't.
It's because look, you are bloop, bloop, bloop.
Awesome.
It's under the table. You just
Whoop.
bloop, 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 bloop. It's coming down, guys.
Oh, yeah.
Ew, it's falling.
It looks gross.
Oh no! It's coming!
Oh no.
Oh.
You slapped it.
Take that! Take that, sweet boo!
Ah.
Look.
That was cool. Oh, here comes the big one.
Okay, we are going to do only one minute.
What is that? Are you doing a seal?
And I said it looked like a penguin.
I'll
No.
give it this try.
Daddy's turn.
You want me to show you how to do it? I'll show you.
Okay, move out of the way, honey.
Can't even do it.
Oh gosh.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Ready?
Yep.
Like this?
Pull yourself. Come on, Dad, you're on video.
Oh gosh.
I don't think you moved.
Oh, that's hard.
Don't break your glasses.
I'm trying to keep my face off the floor. Oh.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Bye. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.